Ecomhunt Product Research Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. In this video, we're diving into Ecomhunt, one of the most popular product research tools for dropshipping. We'll cover its key features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's a good fit for your business needs. Ecomhunt is designed to help dropshippers find high-potential trending products to sell online. It's especially useful for those who want to streamline the product selection process and focus on products that are already performing well. The tool offers a variety of features that make product research simpler and more data-driven, from real-time sales data to competition analysis, ensuring you spend less time searching and more time scaling your business. Key features. Trending Product Finder. Ecomhunt regularly updates its database with trending products, allowing you to spot items that are currently selling well across different platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Product Analytics. The tool provides detailed analytics on each product, including its average selling price, profit margins, demand, and competition, helping you make well-informed decisions. Competitor Insights. You can easily analyze competitors' products and strategies, helping you gauge pricing, marketing methods, and other tactics used by successful dropshippers. Product Rating System. Each product on Ecomhunt is rated based on its potential for success, helping you identify which products are more likely to bring in profit. One-click import. The platform integrates with Shopify, making it easy to import products directly into your store with just one click. Free and premium plans. Ecomhunt offers both free and premium plans, so you can test out its features before committing to a subscription. Who is it for? Ecomhunt is perfect for dropshipping entrepreneurs who want an efficient way to find profitable products without spending hours on product research. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your product selection, Ecomhunt can help you identify products with high sales potential and low competition. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. Easy-to-use interface, detailed product analytics, competitor insights, free plan available. Weaknesses. The database may not be as extensive as some other tools, and the premium plan offers more advanced features which could be a bit pricey for new sellers. Final verdict. Ecomhunt is a solid user-friendly product research tool for dropshippers, offering everything you need to find trending products, analyze competitors, and predict product performance. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking to optimize your store, Ecomhunt is worth checking out. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information.